Day 4 was active restoration, and I really enjoyed this day. It's so important to purposefully put into any kind of plan time for yourself to rest and recover. In the fitness sense, I had some downtime today for my body, which it needed. I feel buoyant now, and I kind of feel ready for tomorrow. There was lots of suggestions in the book, from taking an active yoga class and doing some stretching. I did some stretching, took a cold shower, playing with my kids, plan to do that right after school today. Fast for 16 hours, which is a link to tomorrow, I'm guessing. Call a friend or a relative, which I've done, and get rid of ambient electronic light in the bedroom, which I will do. There are so many stresses on our bodies and our minds, just from I'm sure from physical stresses of this physical activity, but bright lights, social media, our phones buzzing, our thoughts, each other, traffic noise, stress. So important and so gratifying to purposefully put into any plan moments for recovery. I really enjoyed day 4. I was impressed to see it appear as part of the fitness plan, and I'm really looking forward to day 5. So I'll check with you tomorrow.